Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. Please subscribe to dptutorials and click on the bell icon for notifications. In our previous tutorial, we have seen the cost loading from Excel BoQ in Primavera P6. In this tutorial, let us learn manpower loading from the same costing in Primavera P6. Generally, based on my experience, the budgeted cost for manpower would be 10% to 15% of the total material cost. So with this assumption, let me continue from my previous video where we have added the cost to the schedule from the BoQ. Now, similar to the previous exercise, let us create a labor resource. Click Add and name it as Labor 1. Click on Next. Select the resource type as Labor and click on Next. Here put value as 1 in price per unit, default units per unit and max units per time fields. Click Next and you can click directly on Finish to close this. Now select all the relevant activities and assign the labor resource that we have created now, Labor 1. Okay. You can go to the details section and in the resource tab showing the labor resource with some budgeted units and budgeted costs like this. Okay, and let us correct these figures by exporting the schedule into the spreadsheet format. Click on Export, select the activity and resource assignments in the export type. Modify the export template to include specific columns like budgeted labor units, budgeted labor cost. Once it is exported, open the Excel file and for the labor resource row items here in the bottom section, in the relevant columns for units and cost, mention 10% of the material units and materials cost like this. For all the civil, I am mentioning as 1000 units and for structure 2000 and for finishing I mention as 500. You can use some formula to do this even. Once you're done, save this Excel document and close it. Now go back to the Primavera P6 and let us import the Excel into this to merge the changes. Okay, now you can see that the labor units column showing as 7,000 units, which is exactly the 10% of our budgeted cost, $70,000. And additional $7,000 got added because of the additional labor cost. Got it, friends? So this is the final outcome of our exercise where we have used the cost for loading the manpower. Whenever you are reviewing your schedule with your team members or the management meetings, you are free to change these labor units and cost fields to make it further perfect. Got it? So friends, this is all about the manpower loading from costing in Primavera P6. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe at dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.